Hello, Nadine here, and this month Waffle Flower and Imagine are collaborating. There will be 2 lucky winners that will win a $50 gift certificate, one from each sponsor. So all you have to do to enter is subscribe to Imagine and Wallflower's YouTube channel and leave a comment on any of the videos published this month using both products from both companies. So Imagine products and Wallflower products together. And what I am doing this month, I'm going to make a card. I'm going to use this stamp set from Waffle Flower. It's their layering marble. And then also this stamp set, which is Iris U, and then also the matching die set that goes with it. And then all of these inks and stuff from Imagine I'm also going to be using. So with the layering marble, oops, this is upside down. Put that back there. It will show you each one of these are numbered. Like this is B1, B2, and B3. And then the light ones are everything in 1 you do in the light color. 2 is medium and 3 is dark. Okay, so starting out with several different ones of the number 1s. I'm going to stamp all of these with the Watercolor Baby Blue. And just using some Stays On stamp cleaner and clean those off real fast. So now the next layer I'm going to do are all of the 2s, and I found this at the Waffle Flower website. It gives you a guide of where to line up the second one to each one. Now with the second layer, I'm going to use Memento and Gray Flannel. And the third layer I'm going to do in Versafine Clair in the Monarch. So that's what it looks like so far. And I think I'm going to add like a little extra of the gray flannel and then also of the Monarch in other areas. So it won't be completely following the line of everything, but this is what I've got so far, and I'm going to keep going until my entire panel is covered. So there we go, that's what that looks like so far. I did have some yellow on my finger and it got on there, but I believe that the flower die cut is going to cover that up once I put it on the front of my card. And I did mat it with some dark purple cardstock too. So there is that. So next, using the Iris U stamp and my Misti again, I'm going to stamp this with some Versamark ink. And I'm going to emboss that with some hologram embossing powder. And then once I heat set it, you can see how pretty that looks on there. And then taking some of the Memento ink and Lulu Lavender, just smush that onto my mat. Taking some of the Memento Grape Jelly and I smushed that onto my mat. And then just using a water brush, I am watercoloring in the irises. Starting with the darker and down towards the bottom, and then moving out towards the lighter. Okay, I have the image all colored in, and for the leaves I ended up using some Memento and Cottage Ivy and Northern Pine. So you can see what that looks like, and then I die cut it out. So now I'm going to stamp the sentiment that also comes with that same stamp set from Waffle Flower. And I'm using the Happy Birthday, and I'm going to stamp this using the Versafine Clair in the Monarch. And there it is, my card's completed. Thank you so much for watching. Please visit imaginecrafts.com for even more inspiration, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and the like button as well. See you next time. Bye-bye.